Hi, I am Meenakshi, Assistant Professor of Department of Computer Applications from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we will start the concept of JavaScript operators. JavaScript operators are special symbols that perform operations on values or variables known as operand. For example, in sum equal to 10 plus 20, plus is an arithmetic operator and equal to is an assignment operator. The lot of operators: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, choice operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and special operators. Arithmetic and comparison operators. Arithmetic operations perform mathematical calculations on operands: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modules, increment, and decrement operator. Comparison operators compare two operand and return a Boolean values is equal to, identical, not equal to, not identical, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Bitwise and logical operator perform operations on the binary representation of values. Bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise not, left shift and right shift with 0. Logical operator combine or negate Boolean expressions: logical and, logical or, and logical not. Assignment operators assign values to variable. Assign the values to the variable. Add plus assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modules and assign. Special operators in JavaScript or JavaScript include several special operators that perform unique functions ranging from conditional expressions to object manipulations and type checkings. Conditional: return a values based on a condition similar to if-else. Comma: allow multiple expressions to be evaluated as a single statement. Delete: delete a property from an object. In: check if an object has a given properties. Instance of: check if an object is an instance of a given type. New: create a new instance. Type of: check the type of an object. Void: discard the expressions return values. Aid: check what is written in the generated by its iterator. JavaScript statements. If-else statement. The JavaScript if-else statement is used to execute code block based on whether a condition is true or false. There are three main forms: if statement, if-else statement, and if-else if statement. If statement: evaluate content only if the condition is true. Once while you are checking the conditions is true means the code will executed after the if. Otherwise, false means automatically execute the after if statement. If-else statement: evaluate the content whether the condition is true or false. The condition is true means if code is executed. Once the condition is false, the else code is executed. JavaScript switch statement. The JavaScript switch statement is conditional statement that execute code block based on matching an expressions with a series of cases. It serves as an alternative to multiple if-else if conditions, especially when dealing with many possible values. Key components: break statement indicate the end of the case, preventing fall through to subsequent cases. Default statement: an optional block executed if no case matches the expressions. Evaluations: the expression inside the switch is evaluated once. Comparison: the expression's values is strictly compared with each case. Execution: if a match is found, the corresponding code block is executed. If no match, the default case run. If-else with switch comparisons. Both the if-else and switch statement control program flow, but they differ in syntax, purpose, and efficiency for various scenarios. If-else statement syntax: if keyword with a condition is parenthesis and an optional else cases. Use switch keyword with an expression and a series of case statement. Purpose. Check a single condition and execute code based on true or false. Check a single expressions against multiple case of the match. Cases. Only two possible code block, one for true, one for false. Case can have multiple cases, each with a different values to match. Efficiencies can be less efficient with many conditions due to sequential check. Efficiency more efficient for many cases as a jump directly to the match. Readability more flexible for complex conditions but can become verbose. Readability earlier to read when checking many discrete values. Thank you.